Hey riders! Today I'm showing you how to turn your budget phone into a vlogging camera, mounted right on your helmet.
Sound check, sound check. All goods, all goods, sound check. Sound check.
First, you have to buy a sturdy, affordable helmet mount. You need to disassemble the foam and the other things on the helmet so you can put the mounting gadget in the helmet. You must secure it tight, you don't want your phone falling off mid-ride. Then after that, you can assemble it again. Here's a quick tip. Shoot in 1080p or 4K videos quality and lock your focus and exposure to minimize the light exposure. This is cheap and easy to set up, but it's not as tough as action cameras, but great if you're on a budget. So you can use a wired microphone or headset to enhance your audio quality. You can arrange your wire like this. Now we're done, we can put it on the helmet. You can put your wire inside the phone. So there you have it, a budget-friendly option for those looking to get into motovlogging without spending too much.
So this is sound check, sound check. All goods, sound check. Sound check.
See you until next time, ride safe and keep those cameras rolling.